Well, it was no surprise today when we came in this morning. People were watching those futures. They were down big this morning. And the market, 15 minutes into the market was down about 125 points, and we kept going down ever since. We bounced back a little, but right now we're down 140. The big news today, GM losing $39 billion right down last quarter. That's incredible. That's the second biggest in history of any company to write down. So that had traders a little nervous this morning. Another thing came out today was oil. Oil reserves were down 800,000 this morning. They were expecting over 1 million, so 800,000 wasn't big, but it wasn't small either. As a result, oil's trading at $97.60. It got as high as $98 earlier today. It's backed off a little, but you know what? I think as the week goes on, this oil is just the momentum's going to take it above 100. I see oil definitely trading above 100. Another reason, 25% of the oil in the United States is here in the Northeast, between like Washington and Boston. That's where most of it is used, and it's getting cold out here in the Northeast. Getting a little chill today. They're even talking snow flurries in Manhattan maybe later this week. So we're going to see more oil use here in the Northeast. That's going to pump it up oil. And I think that's going to have an effect next week as we come into next Monday. You'll probably see oil trading above $98. Dollar's going to keep on falling. Doesn't look like it wants to stabilize right now. Right now the euro's 147. Yesterday was 145. Another thing, China. China announced today that they may diversify their $1.5 trillion into other currencies, stronger currencies like the euro. So that has traders a little nervous. I mean, that's a little disconcerting if they're taking $1.5 trillion out of dollars and diversifying it into different currencies. Dollar's going to keep sliding. After a while, even though it's great for exports, it does become a problem. So next week's a pretty interesting week coming up. No big earnings coming out next week. We're coming to the end of earnings season, so nothing major is going to be announced next week. But we'll be watching that price of oil as the week goes on and the cold weather comes in here a little bit more. And the dollar, like I said, keeps sliding. Yesterday was 145. Today it's 147. So it's all about the dollar today. It's all about oil today. It seems the financials, which are always being played for the rest of the quarter, will still be around. But we're not talking about them today, but we'll still be watching them.